Hello, this is Trevor Lewis, and this is a quick video for students from the Voyager STEAM Lab. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add work in Google Classroom. So here's a test class that we have set up, and I'm accessing this as a student. So first thing we're going to do is always go to the classwork tab to see what work we have. Some of these are grayed out. That means that me, as a student, I have already turned this in, but the teacher hasn't graded this one. You can tell. Let's go to a different assignment like this one. You can see that it's green, which means I haven't turned it in. It says assigned. It's due April 17th, which hasn't happened yet, so that's why it doesn't say late. But if I go to view assignment, I can see what I've got here is a drawing that the teacher has attached for me. So there's two ways to add work. One is you've already got the work here, like the teacher has given you a Google Doc, and you got to open up the Google Doc, and you're going to have to add to it. And maybe the teacher has given you instructions, like on this assignment, excuse me, oops, way back here. It's got a video right here that shows you how to get started on it. So if I can actually write right on here, and I can, okay, I need to borrow. So I'm going to cross out this and write that, and then make this 12 instead of 2. Cross that out too. Subtract, write my answer. Subtract, write my answer. Okay. And then I can, when I'm done with that, you can see it's all changes saved in Drive. I can just close the tab and go back to the assignment. And so now that version is up there, and I can press turn in. But that is how you add your work if the teacher's already given you something. If you're going to add your work from your Google Drive, something you created separately, you can press add, and you can choose Google Drive, and you can look in your Google Drive for files that you have made. And you can choose from there. You can search from there. You can also add work from your computer. So if you have it saved to your computer, you're going to add a file, and you're going to choose to upload the file, and you're going to choose right here where it says select from device. So I might have some different types of files. Maybe they're in my downloads folder or something like that. And you can see that there's a whole bunch of files in here. I'm going to pick one of these, and I'm going to open it, and it shows up here, but I'm not done yet. I have to press upload, and I can tell that I've uploaded the file because it'll show right here. Most file types will let you preview what that looks like by clicking on it, and it will show you what it looks like. So this is a drawing file type for our laser. An easy way to add a photo or a video is to use your phone and have the Google Classroom app. So this is the same test class, but it's in the Google Classroom app. So you can either pre-record the video or photo and select from your files, or I'm going to show you, in this case, how to take a photo. So this is the class, and then at the bottom you can see you get stream and classwork and people. So you can click on classwork, and then you're going to find the assignment that you want to turn in. When you get to the assignment at the bottom, it says your work, and you can expand that upward, and you can hit add attachment. So then you can choose from different things. Pick a photo or use the camera. If you use the camera, you can actually take a picture right there in the app and choose use photo, and it will add that file directly into Google Classroom, and you can even hit turn in there. The app is also a great way to communicate back and forth with your teacher on the go in terms of posting private comments and getting notifications in the app if you're not getting notifications via email. Just like on your computer, it's always a good idea to click on the attachment and make sure that it opens up and it looks like what you want to turn in as well before you hit turn in. So that's how you add work. If you want to learn how to turn in work, watch the next video.